Is it possible to view pictures that are sent on your WhatsApp app on view once, more than once? Let's see in this video. Firstly, we're going to WhatsApp app. We cannot save pictures or screenshot pictures on our WhatsApp, but let's see if we can do it with the help of screen recording. First, turn on the screen recording and go to your messages and try to open the picture. As you can see, it says we cannot make screen recording because it is added privacy, which means we cannot view pictures more than once if it is sent in view once option. Hopefully, WhatsApp will make something in the future, but for now, we have nothing. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.